Hi guys, it's me, Sir YABZ TV. So this time, let's convert weight conversion on English system. Okay, so 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. Then 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you 4 examples. Number 1, 112 ounces convert to pounds. Okay, so first, we have to write 112 ounces over 1 times, so we need a factor that having denominator ounce. So let's use the equivalence given above. Okay, so 1 pound is or over 16 ounce, so we need ounce on the denominator so that ounce will be cancelled out. Then our expectation or conversion is going to pounds. So therefore, cancelled out the ounce. 112 times 1 pound is equal to 112 pound or pounds. Then we have 1 times 16 on the denominator. So the result is 16. So simplify 112 over 16 pounds. Okay, so the result is 7 pounds. So this is our answer for number 1. So meaning to say we have 7 pounds on 112 ounces. Okay, so let's take another example, number 2. So 24 tons convert to pounds. How many pounds in 24 tons? Okay, first rewrite the given 24 tons over 1. Then let's use the equivalence. So we need a denominator having ton. So let's use the 1 ton over or equals 2,000 pounds. So on the denominator, we need ton. So that tons in the given will be cancelled out. So 1 or 2,000 pounds is equivalent to 1 ton. So over 1 ton. Okay, then let's cancel out the tons so that the remaining unit will be pounds or pound. Okay, so multiply 24 times 2,000 pounds. That is 48,000 pounds. Okay, so denominator, we don't need that. 1 times 1, okay? So the final answer is 48,000 pounds. Meaning to say 48,000 pounds on 24 tons. Okay, let's take example number 3. So 12 tons convert into ounces, or how many ounces on 12 tons? So rewrite the given 12 tons over 1 times. So since we don't have tons to ounces, so we have to use 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Okay, so we need the denominator ton. So the same process with number 2. So 2,000 pounds is equivalent to 1 ton. So 1 ton is on the denominator, so that tons will be cancelled out. Then another factor. So that's the time we have to use the pound, 1 pound on the denominator, so that the numerator pound cancelled out. So 1 pound or 16 ounces equivalent to 1 pound. So that is our another factor. So let's do the cancellation. So cancel out the tons on the numerator and the denominator, that is 1. So pounds and numerator and denominator, so that means 1. So the remaining unit will be ounce or ounces. So the remaining number will be multiplied 12 times 2,000 times 16 ounce or ounces. Okay? But the denominator, we don't need to write that 1 times 1 times 1 because that is 1. So mean to say whole number, our result in this example is just whole number. So 12 times 2,000 times 16 ounces is equivalent to 384,000 ounces. So meaning to say we have 384,000 ounces on 12 tons. Alright. Okay, so let's try the last example. So this is just example for ounces to tons. So 64 ounces. How many tons on 64 ounces? So 64 ounces or 64,000 rather ounces over 1 times, since we don't have ounces and ton, so we have to use 16 ounces on the denominator and then 1 pound on the numerator. Then we need another factor, so that's the time we have to use 1 ton and 2,000 pounds. So the numerator will be 1 ton. That is our expectations, or yes, our unit. So we have 1 ton over 2,000 pounds. So the same process, let's use the cancellation. Cancel out the ounce. Okay, and then the pounds, so that the remaining unit will be ton. Okay, so multiply 64,000 times 1 times 1 ton. Right? Times 1 times 1 ton. And then the denominator, so we need to write that because that is not 1. Okay, so that is 1 times 16 times 2,000. Okay, then let's simplify. 64 times 64,000 times 1 times 1 ton, that is 64,000 ton or tons, over denominator 1 times 16 times 2,000, that is 32,000. Then dividing this or simplify 64,000 and 32,000, that is, or the same as 64,000 divide 32,000, that is 2, then copy ton. Okay, so meaning to say we have 2 ton or tons on 64,000 ounces. Okay, I hope you have learned something from this video. This is just for grade 7. Thank you and God bless. Please follow for more.